Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two exciting cameras for vlogging: the Canon EOS R50 Mirrorless vlogging camera and the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit. We'll be taking a closer look at the features and capabilities of each camera to help you decide which one is best for your vlogging needs. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Now let's dive into the comparison. Let's start with the price. The Canon EOS R50 Mirrorless vlogging camera is priced at $799, while the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit is available for $999. Both cameras offer fantastic features, but keep in mind that the Content Creator Kit includes additional accessories that might be valuable to you. So, consider your budget and specific needs before making a decision. Moving on, both cameras feature a compact and lightweight design with a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and Digi-X processor. This combination ensures excellent image quality and fast performance. Whether you're capturing photos or shooting videos, these cameras will deliver outstanding results. When it comes to video capabilities, both cameras offer 4K uncropped movie recording with dual-pixel CMOS AFE at up to 30 FPS. Additionally, you can enjoy full HD high frame rate movies at up to 120 FPS. If you're into close-up shots, the close-up demo mode quickly switches focus when an object is brought close to the camera, ensuring crisp details in your vlogs. In terms of autofocus and tracking capabilities, both cameras excel. They feature dual-pixel CMOS AFE, which covers up to 100% by 100% area with 651 AF zones. This advanced autofocus system utilizes deep learning technology for auto-subject detection and tracking, be it people, animals, or vehicles. You can trust these cameras to keep your subjects in sharp focus throughout your vlogs. If you need to capture fast-paced action or spontaneous moments, both cameras offer impressive continuous shooting capabilities. With electronic first curtain, you can shoot at 12 frames per second, and with the electronic shutter, you can push it even further to 15 frames per second. Never miss a crucial moment in your vlogs with these speedy burst modes. Lastly, let's talk about the additional features. Both cameras come equipped with advanced A+ assist, providing an expanded array of auto-compatible scenes for greater expressive capability in auto mode. You'll have more creative freedom to capture stunning shots, even in challenging lighting conditions. Furthermore, both cameras have a built-in flash, allowing you to shoot in dark environments or with backlit scenes effectively. And that wraps up our comparison between the Canon EOS R50 Mirrorless vlogging camera and the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit. Both cameras offer outstanding features that cater to the needs of vloggers. Remember, it's essential to consider your budget and individual requirements before making a purchase decision. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.